Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're shining the spotlight on one of the most nutritious veggies out there, broccoli. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that broccoli is packed with powerful health benefits. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly why you should be adding this superfood to your meals. Let's dive in. Broccoli is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which includes other health powerhouses like kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. But what makes broccoli stand out is its unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals. First, let's talk about the incredible nutritional profile of broccoli. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system, and vitamin K, which plays a key role in bone health and blood clotting. It's also rich in folate, iron, potassium, and fiber, making it a nutrient-dense addition to any meal. Just 1 cup of broccoli provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs and nearly all your vitamin K needs. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Powerful antioxidants. Broccoli is also loaded with powerful antioxidants that protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. One of the key antioxidants in broccoli is sulforaphane, which has been studied for its potential to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even lower the risk of certain cancers. Sulforaphane is most abundant in raw broccoli, so if you're looking to maximize its benefits, consider enjoying it raw in salads or lightly steamed to preserve its nutritional value. Supports heart health. Next up, let's talk heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in broccoli all work together to support a healthy heart. The potassium in broccoli helps regulate blood pressure, while the fiber can help lower cholesterol levels. Together, these nutrients can reduce the risk of heart disease and keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. Adding more broccoli to your diet is a simple yet effective way to protect your heart and support overall health. Promotes healthy digestion. Broccoli is also great for your digestive system, thanks to its high fiber content. The fiber in broccoli helps promote regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut not only aids digestion but also boosts your immune system and helps fight off infections. Whether you're adding broccoli to your salads, soups, or stir-fries, you'll be doing your gut a favor by incorporating this fiber-rich vegetable into your meals. Boosts immune system. Finally, let's not forget about broccoli's immune-boosting properties. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, broccoli is a great way to strengthen your immune system and help your body fight off colds and infections. The antioxidants in broccoli also play a role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. So, if you're looking to stay healthy and keep your immune system strong, broccoli should definitely be on your plate. And there you have it. 5 incredible benefits of broccoli that make it a true superfood. From supporting heart health and digestion to boosting your immune system, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that deserves a spot in your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more health and nutrition tips. And if you have any favorite broccoli recipes, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.